Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to change credit card on Wish application. To change your credit card, the first thing to do is to open the Wish application from your app drawer and make sure to sign in to your account. Once you end up in the main homepage after logging into the account, tap on the menu button at the bottom right hand corner. Once you open up the menu tab, tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Now select Manage Payments. Whether you've already added a payment method or if you want to change your credit card or any other payment methods, simply tap on Add New Payment. Now enter your card number in the first tab, enter the expiration date for your card and the 3-digit CVV code. Finally, click on your billing address, or you can also add a new billing address if you want, and then tap on Use this payment method button at the bottom in order to change your existing credit card or to add a new credit card on your Wish account. So that way you will be able to manage your payment method or change your credit card on your Wish account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.